1 Chronicles chapter 7, verse 1-40. Now the sons of Issachar were Tola, and Puah, Jashub, and Shimron, 4. And the sons of Tola, Uzzi, and Rephaiah, and Jeriel, and Jahmai, and Jibsam, and Shemuel, heads of their father's house, to wit, of Tola. They were valiant men of might in their generations, whose number was in the days of David 2,20,600. And the sons of Uzzi, Izrahiah, and the sons of Izrahiah, Michael, and Obadiah, and Joel, Ishiah, 5. All of them chief men, and with them, by their generations, after the house of their fathers, were bands of soldiers for war, 630,000 men, for they had many wives and sons. And their brethren among all the families of Issachar were valiant men of might, reckoned in all by their genealogies 7,000. The sons of Benjamin, Bela, and Becher, and Jediel, 3. And the sons of Bela, Esban, and Uzzi, and Uzziel, and Jerimoth, and Iri, 5. Heads of the house of their fathers, mighty men of valor, and were reckoned by their genealogies 20 and 2,030 and 4. And the sons of Becher, Samira, and Josh, and Eleazar, and Elioenai, and Omri, and Jerimoth, and Abiah, and Anathoth, and Alameth. All these are the sons of Becher, and the number of them, after their genealogy by their generations, heads of the house of the fathers, mighty men of valor, was 20,200. The sons also of Jediel, Bilhan, and the sons of Bilhan, Jush, and Benjamin, and Ehud, and Shenanah, and Zethan, and Tharshish, and Ahishahar, all these the sons of Jediel, by the heads of their fathers, mighty men of valor, were 17,200 soldiers, fit to go out for war and battle, Shuppim also, and Huppim, the children of Ir, and Hushim, the sons of Aher, the sons of Naphtali, Jaziel, and Guni, and Jezer, and Shallum, the sons of Bilhah. The sons of Manasseh, Ashriel, whom she bare, but his concubine, the Aramitess, bare Machir the father of Gilead, and Machir took to wife the sister of Huppim and Shuppim, whose sister's name was Maachah, and the name of the second was Zelophehad, and Zelophehad had daughters, and Maachah the wife of Machir bare a son, and she called his name Peresh, and the name of his brother was Sheresh, and his sons were Ulam and Racham. And the sons of Ulam, Bedan. These were the sons of Gilead, the son of Machir, the son of Manasseh, and his sister Hamilketh bare Ishad, and Abizer, and Mahalah. And the sons of Shemida were Ahian, and Shechem, and Lechi, and Aniam. And the sons of Ephraim, Shuthelah, and Bared his son, and Tahath his son, and Eladah his son, and Tahath his son, and Zabad his son, and Shuthelah his son, and Ezer, and Elid, whom the men of Gath that were born in that land slew, because they came down to take away their cattle. And Ephraim their father mourned many days, and his brethren came to comfort him. And when he went in to his wife, she conceived, and bare a son, and he called his name Beriah, because it went evil with his house. And his daughter was Sherah, who built Beth-horon the nether, and the upper, and Uzzen-Sherah. And Repha was his son, also Resheph, and Tela his son, and Taan his son, Ladan his son, Ammihud his son, Elishama his son, Non his son, Jehoshua his son. And their possessions and habitations were Bethel and the towns thereof, and eastward Naran, and westward Gezer, with the towns thereof, Shechem also and the towns thereof, unto Gaza and the towns thereof, and by the borders of the children of Manasseh, Bethshean and her towns, Tanakh and her towns, Megiddo and her towns, Dor and her towns. In these dwelt the children of Joseph the son of Israel. The sons of Asher, Imnah, and Ishua, and Ishuai, and Beriah, and Sarah their sister. And the sons of Beriah, Heber, and Malchiel, who is the father of Berzavith. And Heber begot Japhlet, and Shomer, and Hotham, and Shua their sister. And the sons of Japhlet, Pasach, and Bimhal, and Ashvath. These are the children of Japhlet, and the sons of Shamer, Ahi, and Roga, Jehubah, and Aram, and the sons of his brother Helem, Zophah, and Imnah, and Shalesh, and Amal, the sons of Zophah, Sua, and Harnepher, and Shual, and Beri, and Imrah, Bezer, and Had, and Shammah, and Shilsha, and Ithran, and Bera, and the sons of Jether, Jephunneh, and Pispa, and Era, and the sons of Ola, Ara, and Haniel, and Reziah. All these were the children of Asher, heads of their fathers' house, choice and mighty men of valor, chief of the princes. And the number throughout the genealogy of them that were apt to the war and to battle was 26,000 men.